Welcome back to HomeLab Networks. This is episode 6 of HomeLab Networking, and today we're going to be talking about port forwarding, what it is and how to do it. Port forwarding is when a device from the internet, so the outside world, wants to talk to one of your devices on your home network. By default, your router normally will block this request, but it can be preceded if it's allowed by you by using the magic of port forwarding. The main purpose for port forwarding is to allow outside connections from the internet to talk to your devices on your network. And the reason to do this is, for an example, your online game may not be working correctly due to ports and connections being blocked from the internet. So if we open up ports on your network to allow those connections to come in and accepted by the router, that's going to be forwarded onto your device, which will result in your game working. Example 2 is when you self-host your own websites, there's certain ports that need to be opened, directed to the IP address hosting your website, so outside viewers can come to your website and it load properly and everything should work on their end. But we first need to talk about what is a port. So a port is just a number, but these port numbers are used for certain applications. So for example, port 443 is for HTTPS, so it's accessing a secure web page. Port 80 is HTTP, which is not as secure and unencrypted web pages. So without those ports open, you cannot access anything. In my home lab, I run Proxmox, which is on port 8006. And so if that port isn't open, Proxmox will not work. And the list goes on forever. And there's also unassigned port numbers. So when you are port forwarding to your devices, you pick an unsigned number. For forwarding rules, you would assign that IP address from that device with that port number. And then if all goes to plan, it should work. And now trying to access my website, it's not working, and I know exactly why. One, I didn't assign a static IP address to the website, meaning IP address has changed from when I first set it up, so the ports that are open on the wrong IP address. So we're going to go to virtual servers, update the IP address, and those ports will update to the new IP address, and then theoretically the website should be up and running. And then we just need to make sure the proxy manager's IP address is updated to the new one, and then set the new IP address to static so it doesn't change, so we don't run into this problem again. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the subscribers, and we'll see you in the next video.